cherry, look. Yep. Oh gosh. Don't show her them Christmas villages, hide them. Nice. Harborside Village. That's pretty. How much are your villages? Your villages, how much are they? 5 apiece? Well, I want all them.
Okay.
Jerry, I just bought all the villages for $5 a piece. I bought all of it. I know this road noise is awful. I bought all the villages for 5 apiece.
You just did that?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
You like them?
I better. No, I do.
You better. Cooks. Non-stick. JCP Home. Ooh, nice polish right there.
No, it was on the Bronco when I sold it.
Oh, okay.
Pretty dogs right there. Look there, honey. You see?
Another feeder.
Okay.
What'd you find?
$2 and
You
$1.
beat me to it, didn't you?
That's cool. I like
Yeah, they are cool. Well, I'll just take them in, since you said that.
Yeah, that's
No, that's your son's pile. That's your son's pile.
I know, already saw it. This is us.
Can I set this right here?
Yep.
Make it. How did I get those?
Well, we got all them churches too, honey. How about all them churches?
Okay.
we did.
Okay.
Sorry.
Oh.
$2. We sold all our DVDs because you know everything's
There you go. You finding you some cups?
Yeah, that's Ozark
Yeah.
Trail, and then that's just too
Oh
cute.
yeah. Oh yeah. With the dogs.
I wonder what this is.
Oh, it's that Hershey s'more set that you just a bought. Do what? Did you? Oh.
Yeah, it's just dust.
Hey. I was gonna look at your jacket you're bringing out. That dust won't hurt nothing when you deer hunt.
Yeah.
How much is it? That's a rain. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Just throw it over there. I'll take it too.
I've got several more downstairs.
Oh, do you? Okay.
I'll bring them out.
Oh, okay.
$4.
Now, how much do we owe you? Did you figure it up?
Yes. Okay, so that all 16 and that's 25, whatever my brain.
25, 35.
Just do 30.
No, it's more than that.
What?
Yeah, that's 25 hour and you
25,
said 16. So it's 40.
41.
Yeah, 40.
40. Just do 40.
Let's do 40.
You need a one?
Nope, just do 40. You're good.
Thank you very much. I didn't want to cheat you.
No.
Oh, cool. Look at
I'll
you,
carry
little
these.
Miss Customer service.
I'll carry these, honey. Oh. Lord, there's a bunny lamp, Jerry. Look at that bunny lamp.
Oh, yeah. That's so cute. That is cute.
Mm-hmm. It's cute, ain't it?
Yeah. Huh.
Gosh, look at the silverware.
Golly.
Oh, man. I wouldn't even know where to start with this. A lot of it. There's a bunch of decoys. Just so it doesn't matter.
Oh, that's a vintage.
Yeah, wrapping paper.
Yeah.
Yeah, not much on it though. Oh yeah.
I'll put on my thing at school for teaching us a couple lessons.
Yeah.
How you doing?
How much you got on your scanner?
I don't even have to ask them women
The
now.
women.
They priced everything.
How much you got on your scanner?
Was it in the dollar box or?
They was just sitting on a table.
It was $3.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, it was sitting on the table there.
I don't have no idea.
You don't have no idea. You like me.
I don't have no idea. That's my favorite saying.
Yeah.
My wife says anyway.
There's yo-yos. All the men toys. Jerry, this, you ain't found nothing, have you?
You know me, I'll find stuff like that, that little porcelain doll thing.
Oh, yeah.
Remember those 3 or 4 Victorian ladies that I got?
Yep,
But I don't know if
I
she.
do.
I don't know.
Look at them Christmas lights.
I know. I was thinking that'd look good.
Yeah.
I'm not sure.
Blake done found him a printer. Jeep parts. Gonna buy you some tools. You gonna buy you some tools
Yeah.
to work with, so I can quit working.
Yeah, I've been looking for me a 3-in-1 set.
Yeah, I seen that. That's a pretty nice little TV, ain't it?
She take pay for it.
Probably. Yeah, I'd say she would.
Guys don't know.
I'd say she would.
Yes, I was telling you.
It was 3, did you
Yes,
say?
yes, ma'am.
Okay.
There you go. I hate that. I think they got change. At least the rain stopped, didn't it?
Yes.
So, 3, 4,
Thank you very much.
5, 10, 15, 20.
Hope you can sell out.
Yeah, me too, so I don't have to get rid of it.
Yeah, that's it. Thank you.
There's a little Vizio TV in there.
You gonna get that rabbit? Get it if you
I'm
want.
wondering about shipping though, because you know, it's always
That
a
won't be
pain.
hard. It won't be hard on that. It won't be hard. You got money?
Well, no. Yeah, I do. Oh,
Here.
you think? I'm just not sure.
Whatever you want to. Duty. I should have stopped.
I don't think I want to.
You don't think so?
No.
Blake got the TV, didn't he?
I know you got a printer too.
Oh, yeah. You got a printer and TV? I got a scanner for $3.
left out. I gotta buy something.
You gotta buy something. Buy you an Easter bunny.
If that was prettier color, a Bagolini, that's a good brand.
I like that. Just $1.
Is it?
Mm-hmm. What's
Let's
it?
go with it.
It said clothing.
Blake's done got him a TV and a printer. He can watch TV while he prints his stuff out.
He will do.
Yeah.
Is that locked?
Oh, wait a minute, Blake. I unlock it. I feel like a mountain climber.
We can do it.
We can do it. How you doing?
Good morning.
Put out a little effort to get up here, don't
I'm telling you, that fat man's going to have to lose weight or something. How you doing today?
Good, y'all.
Pretty good.
Yes.
Whew.
Glad it quit raining just to be out.
Well, they felt like it wasn't gonna rain today.
Yeah.
Look at your rooster, honey.
Oh, let me see. Oh yeah, I gotta get that one.
Whew.
Maybe.
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 Maybe, maybe.
Ooh, look how pretty that yellow is.
I know it.
I love that.
I like this. See it, but not for 15, but they're pretty. They're really pretty. Yeah, that's a pretty set.
I love that. It's gorgeous.
It is pretty, ain't it? These are too. Hers is
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, it
Oh,
is,
that
ain't it?
is neat.
It's a big old
Yeah,
bowl.
you can-
Oh, wait, that's big.
It's pretty.
Yeah,
This is so pretty. What is this?
I don't know.
Buttercup Federalist Ironstone.
This one's cute.
Oh, there's a brand new old toaster oven. Forehead VCR too.
This is
Yeah.
This one can.
There's the air fryer. There's the air fryer.
I know it's got it too.
Cozy.
I bet that's a good one.
I'm asking about it.
Yeah, I bet that's a good one. Looks like a brand new almost. Yeah. We've been wanting an air fryer. Oh, strawberry shortcake.
I get it.
I think I'm gonna do the
Yeah.
toaster oven in that wallet. That's pretty cool. Or something like that.
And that's
We can put it back in that box if you want to.
Okay.
Let's see. I'm talking with pencil shortly. On this. You see anything you want, honey?
oh, yeah, I hadn't got back up here yet.
Oh, you want me to aid your way? There's a bunch of ball jars in.
Yeah.
That's a good deal on them too.
Yeah. My wife used to do that a long time ago.
Yeah, I did too. I did till I quit raising my garden. I've always canned.
There's that.
Yeah, I'm gonna get these little guys.
Okay. So that's
They're so
22,
cute.
24. You got 4.
Oh yeah.
There's 20 of it. She's gonna give you the 4.
Emma, there's 3.
Just give me 5.
I got my ones.
Oh,
Okay, there's.
Like me, it's just hard to keep them
yeah.
squared out.
Yeah.
Hey, thank y'all.
Hey, thank you. We appreciate it. I've been wanting to get me one of these and I have never done it, so I thought, well, heck, I'll just get this. Try it and see anyway.
My closet. It's adorable though. Put it on your patio.
Well, pretty, ain't it? Mm-hmm.
See, I'm
the greeter for the yard sale.
Hey, beautiful buddy.
Oh, you be. You
Pretty.
got some loving.
How much for this circular rug? Sorry. This circular rug?
$1.
$1? All right then. Thanks. You guys are cool.
Perfect for a Christmas tree.
Oh, here we go. Oh, that's pretty of you. Thanks. Appreciate it. Cool. Have a good day.
The little table and the coffee table.
What now?
That little end table.
You get $3 on that and $3 on that.
You guys steal.
Yeah, but just that table.
I wonder if this stuff's for sale. I don't know. Somebody bought it or not. See what this is, Blake. Oh, it's a camcorder. Hey.
Right.
How much is your older camcorder and stuff?
You get 5 on it.
Okay.
Check out that bicycle.
Yeah, I'll take that for 5 anyway. Just for the case.
I think I was so cold earlier I couldn't really. I'm feeling a
All
little
right.
warmer
I'll
now.
put this up here. Keep it looking.
Oh my gosh.
I'll set this up here.
Okay. Claiming
Thank
that.
Stuff for sale in here?
Yep. We have the entertainment
Oh.
center, 2 of those bookcases in the back, dresser.
There you go, Mike.
How much for the printer?
$5.
Okay, I'll take that.
There's your faucets. There's an old radio.
Wow.
There's an old radio.
Not that I'm over.
I always say first. Alright, can you get it out of there?
Oh.
About that one, bud.
Oh yeah, that's an old radio, ain't
It's Emerson too.
it? Yeah, I love that. I love that old stuff. I
Oh, I do
appreciate
too,
it.
dude. That's all I'm getting is the old vintage, all the mega glue covers
Yeah,
and stuff.
yeah, especially them little ones. Them, the,
No, I've seen the little ones go for, pretty pricey.
Yeah, they do.
I'd like to have one, just, say I got
yeah,
it.
them Oscars sell good. Those Oscar ones.
Oh, yeah.
Yep. He found it. I don't know how much it is, but I'm gonna put it there. I steal people's stuff. Didn't even know it. What'd you find, Jerry?
I don't know.
Yeah, it's a Sidewinder plug and play, like in little plug and plays got all games on them.
Is that? I didn't know if that's a good thing. or
Yeah.
not.
No, it's got the. I've got 3 and I ain't sold one of them yet. There's your little remote control car.
It's okay. Get me
Why don't
another
you get
paperweight.
a paperweight sailboat?
Yep. Hey, here's a crock pot.
Yeah. Yeah, I want to get a big
We just want to
oval
give
one.
Brooke hers back.
Yeah, we just want to give hers back. We got one.
This is okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
That, the radio,
What did I
didn't.
say for this again, sir?
5 on the
that.
five.
I'd say $2 on the radio.
Okay.
So 7, $1 each on those.
8, 9, and then they're closed.
The clothes are hers. And that $1. So just say $10,
Okay.
and then the clothes are yours.
25 cents.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
We got some change in the car too.
You get 10 back.
I've got some.
Yeah, she's got
I
a
think
dollar.
that is I think it goes on the armrest of your chair
Put a
or your
drink
couch. Put a drink in and like the
cool.
remote
You
or
put your
something.
drink in it.
Yeah.
It doesn't care as long as it's got a football on it. It'll. Have you paid?
No, you need to give her $1 for the clothes. Just for the clothes.
Yeah, that was my stuff. I don't know how many.
Give her $1.
3 sweaters?
Yeah, that's good enough.
1, 2, and then that little, 3.
Yeah, that's nice.
And
Thanks.
then
Hadn't read it.
Rocky and Christmas Story. Did I pay for that?
Yeah, you already.
Yeah, I'll pay for that, but you
I'll
didn't
keep
pay for that.
Oh, you're fine.
Just to say your way.
I got it.
Thank you very much.
You too. Thank you.
Thank y'all. Mom. He said, Mom. Hey, thank you, buddy.
Hey, see you, buddy.
We're Look at this car.
Yeah, we sort of filling up today.
I couldn't pass up my man. Well, I mean, I'm sorry.
Oh, I see how it is. That's all right.
My other man.
We know who your
He
man
keeps
is.
calling. I'm not answering.
Yeah, we know who your other man is. Or we know who your main man is.
No.
Blake's done good today.
I know he's
He's
bought
got some
32 printers and 14 TVs.
Yeah, he's done good on electronics.
I got some Christmas clothes.
Alrighty, well let's get out of here.
That is really cool right here.
Yeah, it's not old, it's just a vintage looking one.
Hey everybody. We just finished as you went with us on all those yard sales. So we're just going to go over a few of our finds today because we did a really good variety of finds.
Yeah, this is a little different. We wasn't planning on finding anything today because it rained and cold. As you can see her, she's out here freezing. But anyway, we did find a few good things. So
it's the South Pole, not the North Pole. Anyway, here's the Santa Claus. I got this yesterday. He's very, very nice. So I'm going to see what I can do with him. In this box alone, I got a nice big brand new Daisy duffel bag, Nightmare Before Christmas duffel bag, some boots, and a giant brand new Disney duffel bag. And Tim got some
camo coats.
Camo stuff. I got some nice boots. I love these boots. And
they said slow down, you're killing them. Trying to keep up with you. And in the back here you can see I got a handheld CB. I got it for $3 and it does work. I checked it out. Got a vintage radio that we always try to buy if you can get them for $1 or $2 because they usually sell for $15, $20 all the time.
Love radios.
Yeah.
And then we got a scale.
Yeah, I got an old set of scales to give $3 for it.
It was funny. I was going to buy it. You saw it on the video probably. I was going to buy it, but he had already bought it.
I'd already bought it. This is not an old clock, but it is a vintage style clock, so I picked it up. I think I give $5 for it.
I love that.
But it says, what does it say? Hey, pick it up so we can see that.
Oh, I'm frozen. Old Town Clocks. Standard
Restorations.
Time, repairs and restorations.
Yeah, well, really nice looking clock.
And then you got a camcorder.
Got a camcorder and a let's see, I got the camcorder and the camera for $5 in the case, and it's got all the accessories. And they did say it worked, but you know, I know they don't sell for a lot, but they'll usually sell for $25, $30 what we sell them for usually.
Yeah.
So it's profit.
Oh, and then we got an air fryer.
And the air fryer we got for ourselves, that's why I paid $20 for it, which still was a good buy, but it's brand new.
Maybe I could use it, cook something.
Yeah, all she has to do is hit buttons, so she should be okay on this one.
I'll still hit the wrong button and it'll fly.
Yeah, that's the camera, and I got that little old coffee pot and Friends.
And then the Friends little lunchbox thing. Rest in peace, Matthew Perry. And we got
she got her some fancy stockings.
some fancy stockings.
My name's not going to be on them, that's for dang sure.
No, these will go in the eBay store. We're too, not that fancy. What's this?
That's some glasses and stuff that I bought for $1.
Oh, look.
Yeah.
The Griswold Family Christmas?
Yeah.
These are not for sale.
Oh, okay. Well, I got them for $1. The good find, really, though, that ended up being the best find was these church houses right here. All these was like brand new in the box. Got the papers, and they're different houses and stuff. And anyway, I get $5 a piece, and I've done checked the comps on a couple, like $28 to $30. So we'll do good on them.
If we
sell them, yeah, there's 5 of them total, as you seen in the video. But I get $5
it's hard
a piece.
to sell really cute stuff like that.
And she's freezing out here, as you can see.
So anyway.
And our dogs are back there playing again.
Yeah. Another day on the farm.
Another day on the farm.
Anyway, we're going to get back on track now that all the germs have left our house. So now that I said that out loud, we'll be sick. But anyway, so look forward to seeing y'all more and more. We're going to work as hard as we can to find, even though yard sales will start dying down, we'll get some more places to go get some treasures.
Yeah, we'll be hitting. I know a lot of people don't like the Goodwills. A lot of people do, but you know, you source where you have to. So we'll be doing Goodwills and estate sales this winter, and we'll still try to be putting out 2 videos a week. We just all been sick, and we're finally getting better. So. And
we are going to start doing our whatnots. So stay tuned for those announcements. So that'll be fun. We're excited to do that.
Yep.
My mouth is frozen like Clark and Snow. So we love y'all. Stay tuned. Remember to like and subscribe, and we love hearing from y'all.
And we really appreciate all of the people that has subscribed and the ones that still yet hasn't. We still, even if you haven't, we appreciate you watching us.
Yep.
And I hope y'all have a good one. Have a good Thanksgiving.
Thanks, y'all. Love y'all.
See you.